Hey guys, we received this ARTEZA Rollerball pens for test and try, pack of 20, and this is a black liquid ink pens that you can use for journaling or writing or taking notes and sketching. So let me just open it and show it to you. So these are basically the gel pens that you can use for different purposing of writing and then use in a journal way. So you can see different designs here. So even all the rollerball point, and this is the black ink one. So let me just show you how this feel. So while writing is smooth and it's easily writing with the gel pens, or I will say rollerball ballpoint pens, and then even so writing is also smooth and good. So holding compression and everything is good. The pens looks fine, and you can of course control your handwriting and start learning with the things.